The business of running and owning a bar. Tell me, how is it like? अगर कोई फ्यूचर में अपने करियर सोचना चाहता है, if they want to open up a bar, what are the things they should think about?
सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि खोलना क्यों चाहते हो, ये सोच लो.
See, F&B is very difficult. It's the most likely to fail.
Yeah, because it is actually very difficult.
It
It might look to people that Saturday night they walked into a
What a life.
Yeah, what a life. Yeah, look at them, they're enjoying. क्या सही चल रहा है ना, ऐसे चलता है. You know, you buy certain things, you then value add, make it into a different thing, and then you sell it at a different pricing, right? So there are a lot of other dynamics behind. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है, अगर आपको पार्किंग नहीं मिल रही है ना बाहर सड़क पे, आपका बिजनेस कैन गो ऑन फॉर अ टॉस. People say location plays a very important role, and still we have not been able to crack which is the right location for what kind of a product. एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन में जैसे एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड चल गया तो जरूरी नहीं कि बाकी सारे ब्रांड्स वहाँ चली जाएंगे. You know, people just say कि हमने तो जी प्रोडक्ट बना दिया सबके लिए. सबके लिए कौन से प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं? सबके लिए दुनिया there is you got to define your audience and you need to work really very hard to be able to live every day. You know, there would be days कि आपके पास एक भी आदमी नहीं है. There are no customers at your place. You have your salaries to be paid, you have your electricity rent to be paid. जितना सैटरडे नाइट का इसमें मजा है ना, उतना ही मंडे ब्लूज भी है इसमें भी, बिकॉज मंडे ब्लूज है हमारे बिजनेस में भी है. पीपल डोंट गो आउट ऑन मंडे एंड देन यू सी ये जो है ना एकदम शांत खाली खाली सी जगह खंडहर टाइप लगने लगती है. So that also happens in this business. And yes, it's very capital intensive. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे लगते हैं at one go. So you have to invest first. You have to have the right location. You have to have the right cuisine, great ambience, fantastic music, and some great people to be as a service, or rather the service has to be that great. So ये सब के बाद भी there is a possibility that people might not come to your place. And then you see a particular restaurant doing really very well. You don't know why. ये क्यों चल रहा है भाई?
कभी-कभी चल भी जाता है.
So it's like that is also a story. There are passion projects. There are people very very passionate about certain projects. बहुत दिल से बनाया हुआ रेस्टोरेंट है, नहीं काम किया. And I think people those who've been to those places have some very good things to say about that place. Still, after 6 months, 7 months, 1 year down the line, you see कि यार वो कहाँ गया?
I get that this is a passion project for me. मैं दूसरे लोगों के लिए podcast बनाता हूँ to make money, so that I can use that money to make my own podcast.
To be able to do something that you really want to do. और वो करने के लिए आपको कहीं ना कहीं से पैसे चाहिए. हो सकता है सब कुछ सही भी चला, then something like COVID happened. That nobody can plan or predict. हो गया.